Hi guys, I want to show you in this video how you cutting a plate with a CNC Flame cutting machine. At the first step, I select profile from shape library of the controller. Now adjusting dimension of this profile shape. This length, that must be 100 millimeter. Size 2 is correct. Size 3. And dimension of this circle with the position of this circle according to plate. Now I adjusting dimension for cutting this profile with the CNC Flame cutting portable machine. My plate thickness is 15 millimeter. Before starting the cutting, I must adjusting cutting parameters for this thickness of plate. So I must go to controller and push this knob F4, and after that go to flame properties. And of course, this is very important that you adjusting these two parameters: high per heat time and low per heat time. And this is a full adjusting according to plate thickness. After that, go to common and adjusting curve value. That adjust this value to 1 millimeter. Before starting cutting, I must examination the cutting. For this, I using demo method for pushing shift plus M to go demo method for certain certaining of correct cutting is doing correct. So before adjusting cutting speed, push X, and this value for cutting speed. This is related to plate thickness. Enter. Now I must adjusting start point with pushing F3 knob and adjusting this with pushing X, Y, and this is good start point for me according to position of the plate versus torch. I use this for torch position. Now I must align torch center with the edge of plate. After completing adjusting information and pre-specified properties for cutting and position torch versus plate, I using demo mode for examination cutting. So I have a good adjust for starting cutting. Now I go to flame state for cutting this plate and starting.